Maghull level crossing. Ouch, alarm. That alarm was like extremely out of tune. God, that alarm sounds, it's dead. That alarm's dead. That alarm is literally just going doo-doo-doo-doo.
Are you still recording?
Yes.
Well, people don't want to see you throwing it around like this.
Oh, yeah. Train just stops in the station. Where's the train? I'm gonna wave to the train when he comes to get a good train horn sound, because who am I not waving to a train? Is that gonna stop? It hasn't stopped in the station. Oh yeah, you're all gonna stop. Oh. I'm gonna say this skirt's ruined. Skirt dead. It's dead. Ah. Oh, is this real? Someone running over the bridge. Sounds weird. That was loud. Excuse me, level crossing, are you going to go up? Yes, with a very noisy